Ikot-ikot lang, ikot-ikot-ikot lang. Ug sa dihang nasaag si Dudong. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are heading to Labyrinth, Toledo City. Let's head inside. Oh, but before that, mag-pray usap me. This is what the church looks like in the inside. Labyrinth is located right beside the church. Tara, let's try their maze. Actually, naglibog na ni sila kay layo pa daw kaayo. You're almost there, guys. O, diba? Naabot ra gyud mo sa center? Salamat di ay kaayo kay inyo may gitagaan og hagdanan para makatake og picture. And that's it. I think it's time for us to go. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe.